Are you a real estate agent seeking cutting-edge methods to display your properties? Studies demonstrate that video-supported real estate listings receive a huge rise in inquiries. Here's an example of a real estate video you can create with Elai. Introducing a duplex garden apartment in a small townhouse building. The entrance is on the ground level, has a private patio that is nicely landscaped and furnished. Further benefits include allocated parking and a residents-only gym.
Elai offers a simple and effective solution to help you enter the competitive market with appealing real estate videos. Start making virtual tours with varied virtual presenters today.
Upload any photos, videos, music, or animations for the complete video customization experience. Choose one of the expressive avatars and type all you want to say about the estate. The presenter of your choice will speak your text in any of the 65+ languages available.
After the render, you will have a fully narrated video ready to be shown to your clients. Give your company the sales push it needs with stunning real estate videos. Bye-bye from Elai.